Hey guys, welcome back to another video of prompt engineering course. In this lesson, we're going to talk about one of my favorite functionalities with ChatGPT, which is basically tabular formatting. So before we start the video, let me just demonstrate this lab with you guys real quickly. We'll be using prompts to get output from ChatGPT in the form of tabular format. And also we'll be applying prompt engineering techniques to improve our output as always. All right, so first of all, we'll discuss what is basically tabular format prompting is. So this format allows for clear organization and presentation of data, making it easier for the user to analyze and comprehend the output, leading it to more accurate understandings and insights. So it is basically, giving your output a clear, more, pure tabular format so that, it might easy for you to understand and you can like jot it down with you, like with no problem at all. So here's what our formula would be. This is actually a multi-step process. So we're going to start off with the question. So the next prompt that you want to do is what are the different categories you're going to break your answer into for more descriptiveness. And the third one will be, you will create one single tab that includes all your original answer with these new categories separated into different columns. So first of all, you'll just type in your question, and the next thing you're going to ask him to categorize those into separate different columns. And the last thing you're going to ask him to create separate tables for their respective columns, so it will be easy for you to understand and jot it down. Okay, so this will be the example that we're going to be doing today. So without wasting any time, let's just get right into it, and I'm going to open my ChatGPT here. All right, so following our formula, first of all, I'm going to ask him the question that was in our example with me. I'm going to ask him, what are the main factors of growing a YouTube channel? All right, so as you guys can see, it gave me like 8 to 9 points of different factors through which you can grow a YouTube channel or you can make one. So it is like in bullets form or points form. So obviously it is not convincing to me. It's not like that engaging. So I want that to be in, a pure tabular form so that it could be very easy for you to understand. I'm just going to insert my next prompt right here, which was in our formula. So I'm going to ask him, what are the main categories? You can rate your answer with these categories separated into different columns. So I want ChatGPT to separate all of these into different columns, so it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so it did the second part for us, so it made different columns for us, but I still want that in more tabular form because I want the headings to be separated, I want their factors to be separated. So let's just write in our third prompt, which was the part of our formula as well. Now I'm going to ask him to create one table, a final table that includes your original answer with these categories separated into different columns. So let's just see what output we're going to get out of that. All right, so here we go. Now you can see it is looking more convincing, more appealing to us. So these are the different factors that have been separated in a tabular form. So for content factors, you need a high quality content, compelling videos, value to target audience, and consistency. So these are the few factors you need to be following in your content. And if you want optimization of that, you can do SEO, thumbnails and titles, video optimization, productivity, analytics and insights, persistence and patience. And if you want to engage audience and you want engagement factors, you need to have the audience engagement in that, promotion and collaboration, and consistent branding. So yeah, as you guys can get an idea from that, so now it is very easy for you to understand, right? So if you are looking for the content factors and if you are like very good with the optimization factors, so obviously there is a separate column for that. If you want to skip that, you can easily do that and you can just look into the rest of the factors. So yeah, that is basically very easy for us now to understand and follow and very easy to apply as well. All right, yeah, so that will be it for this lecture. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you in the next one.